down my sword, but in return, you gotta let go of the girl.
Alright. I got some bad news. There's something wrong with my car. I don't know what. I drive home regularly from work, you know what I'm saying? Just trying to get home, play some CSGO, you know what I'm saying? But mine started, my car, you know, starts acting up. I was like, what the heck? It's shaking. Rigid. Oh man. I barely got home. Went home 10 miles per hour basically the whole ride. Shoot man. I don't know what I'm gonna do. Definitely keeping this car though. My parents don't want me to, but I'm gonna fight. It's my first car. Don't want to leave it, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, I don't know. Maybe I gotta buy a new daily. This was my daily, but not anymore. Like, this sucks though, not gonna lie. See, my check engine light is on. Like, that's when you know it's bad. How bad it's shaking, it's so bad. There's something wrong. I honestly don't know. It definitely sounds like it's dying. Like, I don't want to turn it on. It's just... It sounds so sad. And I'm not ready to leave this car, really. I know some people have to let things go, but sorry, I'm not one of those people though. There's a lot of shaking too, it's crazy. Never seen it shake this much stuff. Damn, dude. I honestly don't know what's wrong with it. I don't know, I'm probably gonna buy a new Civic or a Daily or something. Not a new one, like an old one for the low miles. Jeez, dude, this thing is, oh man, it just makes me cry the way you're idling. It's a magic. Just driving at 10 miles per hour and they're shaking this much. Holy crap. Yeah. I went to last day for a swap. Or maybe even a shop so I can get it. Oh man, I can't, I'm not gonna let a shop do it. Way too much money. Oh man. So yeah. This is where I'm at. She's party. This is where she stands. I don't know, it'll get better, hopefully. Trying to stay positive. What the heck? I need to do daily though. Wait. Yeah. Oh yeah, if anyone want to purchase the RS wig, I got you, man. Or OEM taillights, I got you. Yeah. This channel's gonna be so slow. It's gonna be lame. I don't know. I'll probably just, I don't know, I might get an EJ207 versus 7 or versus 8. And just start building the engine. Or at least I can try. I don't know where anything went. It's a learning experience like this. I don't know. I can't drive that one car, so I need to find a shop, do something. Yeah. If you want to be seeing it for a while, because money's an issue. So yeah, I'll see you today. I still gotta get the wing on too.